Steam disk write error. Cannot write to disk. Here is how to fix it, step by step.
If your download stops and Steam reports that an error occurred while updating your game, with disk write error at the end, you have hit the Steam disk write error. The game may also show the words disk write error under its name in the Downloads panel. Work through the fixes in order from the easiest to the most advanced.
Start with the easiest fix. Open the Steam menu in the top left corner and choose Exit. Then right-click the Steam icon in the system tray and choose Exit Steam to make sure the client is fully closed. Relaunch Steam and resume the download.
If the error comes back, restart your computer. Click the Start button, then Power, then Restart. A clean reboot releases locked files and resets background programs that might be interfering with Steam.
Check your drive space. Open File Explorer and look at this PC. Steam needs room for the game plus temporary download files, so keep at least 10 to 20% of the drive free. Delete unused files or programs, then try the download again.
The next fix clears the Steam download cache. Open the Steam menu, choose Settings, and select Downloads. Click the Clear Download Cache button, then click Confirm. Steam restarts and asks you to log in again, which is normal. Your installed games stay untouched. Resume the download afterwards.
Verify the game files. Open your library, right-click the game, and choose Properties. Open the Installed Files tab and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam checks every file and re-downloads anything damaged.
Broken download leftovers can cause this too. Fully exit Steam, then open the Steam folder, usually at C Program Files x86 Steam. In the Steam Apps Common folder, delete any empty folder named after your game. In the Steam Apps Downloading folder, delete the folder with your game's app ID. Relaunch Steam, and try again.
Make sure the Steam folder is not read-only. Right-click the Steam folder and choose Properties. On the General tab, uncheck Read-Only, click Apply, then OK. Retray the download.
Run Steam as an administrator. Exit Steam, then right-click the Steam shortcut and choose Run as Administrator. If that works, right-click the shortcut again, choose Properties, open the Compatibility tab, and tick Run this program as an administrator.
Repair the Steam library folder. Open the Steam menu, choose Settings, then Storage. Click the three-dot menu next to your drive and choose Repair folder. Steam scans the library and refreshes broken folder permissions.
Switch the download region. Open Steam Settings, then Downloads. In the Download Region box, pick a nearby region and click OK. A bad regional server can deliver corrupted data.
Your antivirus might be blocking Steam. Temporarily turn off real-time protection and try the download. If it works, add exceptions for steam.exe, steamservice.exe, and your Steam folders. In Windows Security, open Virus and Threat Protection, click Manage Settings. Then add or remove exclusions and add the Steam folder.
Also check the Windows Firewall. Open Windows Defender Firewall and click Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Make sure Steam is allowed on both private and public networks.
Fix the folder permissions. Right-click your Steam library folder and choose Properties. Open the Security tab, select your user account, and make sure full control is allowed. If it is not, click Edit and grant full control.
If your drive is write-protected, clear it with diskpart. Open Command Prompt as administrator. Type diskpart and press Enter. Then type List Disk and press Enter. Type Select Disk, followed by your drive number, then type Attributes Disk, clear read-allers, and press Enter. Exit diskpart and retry the download.
Check the drive for errors. In File Explorer, right-click the drive, choose Properties, and open the Tools tab. Click Check, then Scan Drive. For a deeper scan, open Command Prompt as administrator and run chkdsk with the F, R, and X flags. Restart the PC if Windows asks you to. To check drive health, open PowerShell and run Get Physical Disk, or use a tool like Crystal Disk Info.
The most reliable workaround is moving the game to another drive. Open Steam Settings and select Storage. Click the plus button to add a library folder on another drive. Select the failing game, click Move, and choose the new drive. This bypasses bad sectors and write protected disks. Faulty memory can corrupt files during downloads. Type md in the Start menu search and open Windows Memory Diagnostic. Choose Restart Now and check for problems. The PC reboots and runs a memory test.
Update your storage drivers. Open Device Manager and expand storage controllers. Right-click the controller, choose Update Driver, and search automatically. Also update the chipset driver from your motherboard manufacturer.
If you overclock your CPU or RAM, set everything back to default. Restart the PC and enter the BIOS, usually with the Delete or F2 key. Set the overclock settings to auto or default. Save and exit, and test the download again.
Some internet providers compress Steam traffic and corrupt the data. Connect to a different network, like a mobile hotspot, and try the download. If the error disappears, your network was the cause.
If nothing else works, reinstall Steam. Fully exit Steam and move the Steam Apps folder to your desktop, which keeps all of your games. Uninstall Steam, download the installer from the Steam website, and install it to the same folder. Move the Steam Apps folder back and log in.
Finally, contact Steam support. Visit help.steampowered.com, sign in, choose your game, and describe the problem. Attach the content log from your Steam Logs folder, which shows the exact reason for the failure.
So, why does this happen? The error simply means Steam could not write game data to your disk. The usual causes are full disk space, broken folder permissions, antivirus blocking rights, read-only attributes, corrupted download files, or a failing drive.
To avoid the error in the future, keep free space on your game drive and install Steam outside protected system folders. Add Steam to your antivirus exceptions and keep an eye on drive health. Installing games on a separate drive also reduces the risk.
Thanks for watching. If this video helped, please like and subscribe, and tell us in the comments which fix worked for you.